The 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 is a version of the iconic long-running off-roader, which has seen few alterations since 1977. To differentiate it from a more current Lada Niva travel, a facelift Chevrolet Niva, it's been called the Lada Niva Legend in recent years. Lada VAZ is updating the Niva Legend and Niva Travel for the 2025 model year, rather than releasing a new Niva 4x4. Geopolitical events and sanctions have delayed Renault's CMFB-based Niva development. The 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 Legend and Travel will. 2025 Classic Lada Niva Legend. This is a direct descendant of the 1977 Niva, famed for its rough simplicity and legendary off-road abilities. Shape. The classic boxy shape stays mostly unchanged. This adds to its attraction. Don't expect substantial styling changes. Powertrain. The 1.7-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder petrol engine again produces 83 horsepower and 129 newton-meters. The 5-speed manual transmission matches this power plant. Some speculation suggests that the Niva Legend may get the Niva Travel's 1.8-liter engine, 89 horsepower, but it's more likely to continue with the 1.7L for 2025. Drivetrain. Its full-time permanent 4x4 system with a low-range transfer case and center differential lock makes it a serious off-roader. Inside. The inside is simple and utilitarian. Expect few changes from past years. Uncluttered dashboard. Basic infotainment. Some trims have a radio or a small screen. No contemporary ADAS. High-end luxe and urban trims have air conditioning, heated front seats, and power windows. Niva Sport. Russia's Niva Sport, a sportier version of the Niva Legend, sports a 1.6-liter 16-valve engine with 122 horsepower and greater on-road performance. A niche variety. 2025 Lada more modern Niva Travel. The Chevrolet Niva became the Niva Travel. Though old by Western standards, it has a more modern look and slightly better comfort than the Niva Legend. Exterior updates. The 2025 Niva Travel will receive a mid-cycle update in Q4 2025 for the Russian market. Redesigned front end. Has a redesigned bumper and octagonal grille. Updated headlights. Full LEDs with new light signatures, but same form. The new diamond-cut alloy wheels may be larger than the 16-inch tires. The body mostly stays the same. New engine. The Niva Travel's facelift highlights a 1.8-liter 8-valve four-cylinder engine. This is a major upgrade from the 1.7-liter. It has 151 newton-meters of torque and 89 horsepower, 7 horsepower increase. Depending on conditions, VAZ claims 3 to 30% better fuel consumption and lower noise. A 5-speed manual transmission and permanent 4WD are also used. For stability and comfort, engineers incorporated a new anti-roll bar. The front wheels have upgraded bearings and vented disc brakes. Inside, the 2025 model has no notable inside images, suggesting only modest trim modifications and infotainment tweaks. Functionality, not luxury, will prevail. Global price and availability. Russia and certain CIS countries are the main markets for the Lada Niva Legend and Niva Travel. Official exports to Western Europe and other key global markets, including the US, Canada, and Australia, are negligible due to sanctions and homologation procedures. They may be found in specialized marketplaces or gray imports. A distributor does not sell the Lada Niva 4x4 Legend or Travel in Indonesia. Private imports would be present. Russian pricing. The new Niva Travel is projected to keep its pricing range of $1,314,000 to $1,639,000 rubles, about $16,700 to $20,900 at current currency rates, though these can fluctuate. The Niva Legend is usually cheaper. In conclusion, the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 Legend and Travel represent robust, no-frills off-roading. The Travel variation gets a little update and a new engine, although neither model is a new generation. They remain popular due to their simplicity, affordability, and off-road competence in respective markets.